Video, we're gonna learn how to create a custom form and assign it to a session or to a patient. So when I go to my Forms tab here on the left, I can create a new form. I have the description of my form, the name of my form, and the fields I want to add. And I can also see my previously created forms. So in here, I'm gonna create a new form for a dentist, for example. So this is my dental form. I'm gonna give it a description. This is my dentist form. And in here I can add as many fields as I want for my form, and I can give a specific type to my field. So I'm gonna say, for example, I wanna know if those people have healthy teeth. So I'm gonna do healthy teeth, and this is a text field. I wanna do before and after set of pictures of the teeth. So this is my before after, and this would be a media field. I also wanna do I don't know, the color maybe, or the whitening, or the process, or what treatment I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do treatment, which would be a text field too. It could be a long text if I wanna do a description about it. And I'm gonna add one more, which could be the color of the eyes or something like that, color of eyes. And this would be a select box, and I can choose to have it as a box or radio buttons as displayed in here. So in that case, I'm gonna use box, and I'm gonna add the options blue, red, green, brown, or other. And now I'm gonna come here and create my form. And after creating my form, it's gonna get added to my list in here. And I can now go to my sessions, and when adding or editing a session, I now have this box here, which is called Select Bilan. And I can search for my dental form. And when I click on that, I can either send this form to the patient for them to be able to fill it, or I can fill it myself. So now I have my treatment box, which is a long text. I have healthy teeth, which is just a text box. I can upload before and after pictures for my patient fields, and I can select the color of the eyes based on the options that I added in my form. I can also do the same thing when creating or editing a patient. So I'm gonna try to add a patient here. I also have this box. And from here, I can also do my dental form, and I can also send this form to the patient to fill it out, or fill it out myself. Thank you, everyone.